Welcome to Goshen Health's One Chart Ambulatory Implementation video. Topic: Front Office Logging into Expanse. The mission of the One Chart project team is to implement a unified EMR that will continue to elevate the exceptional care provided to our patients and surrounding communities by streamlining communication, workflows throughout our organization, and enhanced patient engagement. The topics today are: what is Expanse, the One Chart Ambulatory Implementation Initiative, remind you that March 1st of 2023 is our go live date, and then give you a video tour of how to log in to Expanse. The first question we should answer for you is, what exactly is Expanse? The simplest answer is Expanse is a version of Meditech. Meditech is a healthcare documentation program. It's similar to the current system that you use today, which are NextGen, eClinicalWorks, and ARIA. Goshen Hospital, the emergency room, surgery, and the home health hospice are already on this version of Meditech. By bringing up ambulatory offices onto it as well, we will be closing a loop. Everyone will be able to view all information on all of our patients in real time. As soon as the lab is entered on a patient, all areas may view it. As soon as a patient is created in any area of the Goshen family, you'll be able to find that patient in the system, all of it in real time. You truly will be working within one chart, the patient's chart. Hence the name of our project, One Chart Ambulatory Implementation. Our actual go live date is March 1st, 2023. Right now we are building our system. This means the documentation, questions, and answers you're going to see on the screens of these videos may be a little different as we move along. Please be patient with us. These videos are a chance to begin demonstrating the new system and give you a basic understanding of how Expanse functions. We plan to have these videos be anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes long. This will make it easier for you to find time to view them. As of the end of August, we are working hard to get each and every one of you access to this test environment. When we have set up the access, we will send out an email with the subject line starting One Chart. We are aiming to have that set up within the next 2 weeks. In the meantime, begin watching the videos we post. Once you have access to My Expanse test, play to your heart's content. Okay, I know you're excited to see the new system, so let's get started. Once we go live, once again, March 1st, 2023, you'll be able to see icons on your desktop. You'll be using this one that says Expanse WPL, which means it's the live version of it. Right now, we only have a test world for ambulatory, which will use this other icon, Expanse WPL Test. All the videos that we're going to put out for you, we want you to come back and use this Expanse Test icon for right now. As of March 1st, we'll move over and start to use the live version. Some of you may have the icon, some of you may not. Meditech Expanse is also a web version. This means they have given us an option for logging in just by typing in a web address. That web address is https://meditech-test.goshenhealth.com. This will allow us to use the site from home or anywhere else. Right now, let's just use our test icon to get us into the system. When you click on the icon or the web address, it's going to bring you to this screen. In here, it's going to have you enter your Goshen Health email. Password should be the same password that you are using currently today to log into the system. When you're done, please click the Sign button. Your screen may look a little different than this one, having more or less options depending on your role within the office. This is considered a pathway. Depending on what you select, the screen could display different options. Please begin by clicking on Ambulatory. Now, select Office Staff. For the front office users, it should bring you into a screen like this. If you get this error message, please click OK. Sometimes we don't have you dropping into the right environment. In other words, maybe we dropped you into the acute side, which is the hospital side, instead of the ambulatory. This is probably due to the fact that you've had access to the hospital side in the months past. So what we're going to do as a workaround right now is click Subdivisions. And I'm going to have you come up here, see how it says Goshen Health, that's the acute side. So if you'll hit your backspace or delete button, just click on the drop down. You may not have access to all these different areas. One we want to choose is Goshen Physician Ambulatory. Please select it. If there isn't an HIM department in here, don't worry about it, it'll be fine. Come down to the right lower corner and click OK for me. Now we're back to our main menu with the pathway. So once again, click Ambulatory and then Office Staff. And you are logged into the system. If that did not work for you, please notify Tyler Graber. He'll help you get access. This is your system. The videos that are going to come are going to help you start to navigate this system. We may do one overall that gives you a quick run through of everything, but then we're going to break it down again and do just short videos. In these videos, we will show you items such as how to schedule a patient, how to check them in, how to check them out, how to look for the copay or a bill that's due. All of these different items up above here are different avenues for the job that you will perform. Well, that's it as far as logging in. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for a whole lot more. Thank you.